Can you send money from Chime to Apple Pay? Let's be honest, in today's world, money moves faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. We're tapping, swiping, and sending cash like it's going out of style. And if you're part of the Chime and Apple Pay crew, you're probably wondering, can I just zip money straight from my Chime account to Apple Pay? It's a great question, and let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what these two financial players are. Chime, for those who don't know, is a popular fintech company that offers fee-free checking accounts, debit cards, and other financial services. Apple Pay, on the other hand, is a contactless payment system that lets you make purchases using your iPhone or Apple Watch. Now, here's the thing, you can't directly transfer money from your Chime account to Apple Pay. It's not like sending a text or sharing a photo. Apple Pay isn't a bank account, it's a payment method linked to a bank account, credit card, or debit card. So, how do you actually get your Chime money into the Apple Pay realm? Well, it's a two-step process. Step 1, make sure your Chime debit card is activated and ready to go. You'll need this to link to Apple Pay. Step 2, add your Chime debit card to your Apple Wallet. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Once it's added, you can use your Chime funds for Apple Pay purchases. But here's a little catch. While you can use your Chime money through Apple Pay, the funds are still technically in your Chime account. Apple Pay is just a fancy way to spend it. So, what about those times when you need cash in hand? Well, you can't directly transfer money from Apple Pay to Chime. But you can withdraw cash from your Chime account using your debit card at an ATM. To sum it up, you can't send money directly from Chime to Apple Pay. But you can easily use your Chime money for Apple Pay purchases by adding your Chime debit card to Apple Wallet. Now, let's talk about some common questions. First, is it safe? Absolutely. Both Chime and Apple Pay have robust security measures to protect your money. Second, what about fees? Good news. Using your Chime debit card with Apple Pay is usually fee-free. But always check with your specific Chime plan to be sure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.